Hey everyone, and welcome to 5 Clients in 5 Days workshop. This is the bonus mindset and energy session. So today I'm coming to you live from my salon. I have carved out a little bit of time in my busy Saturday schedule because as most of you guys know, I am still behind the chair a few hours, a few days a week, and simply because I love what I do, not because I have to anymore. I have another business, my consulting practice, which I launched 12 years ago, and it has allowed me to step away from the brick and mortar and create more income while having freedom. But that's a whole other topic. And if any of you guys are interested in learning more about that and maybe doing that yourself, creating an online education program or becoming a coach or consultant and starting to shift out of being behind the chair, just reach out to me privately. I'd be more than happy to share anything that I have learned in this experience. So let's talk about mindset. Let's talk about personal development. Let's talk about all the things that to me, I have found are the core for really building a business behind the chair as a salon owner or as an independent stylist or as an esthetician, as any type of beauty professional. So let's start off, guys. I want you guys all to put your feet on the ground and I want you to take a really deep breath. Ready? Come on, let's do it together. Again. Now, I'm going to talk to you a little about what mindset means. Now, when I started in this industry, it was 36 years ago. It was 1989. I was 19 years old. All I knew is that I wanted to make money, have independence, and I didn't want to conform to being in a cubicle, being told what to do, showing up in corporate, wearing heels, a suit. It just wasn't my vibe. I wanted to be free. I'm a creative, just like you. I'm very independent, just like you. We are a magical breed, guys, a magical breed. Hairdressers, beauty professionals, we are a magical, beautiful breed of people. So I didn't learn about mindset till later on in my journey after I went through a major, downtime of my life where I had a baby, I had lost everything, I had a bad divorce. Anyway, the shit hit the fan in my life. And if you want to read more about that, I have 2 best-selling books. It's Creating Impact and Creating Joy. They are on Amazon. You can get the Kindle version or paperback. And I talk about my journey in there. I'm very vulnerable and I talk about the journey and the transformation. So if you'd like to know more about that, be my guest, order the book and check it out. So mindset came to me at a time where I was at my lowest. I started working on myself personally, meaning I started to grow and heal. I didn't want to stay stuck in the limiting beliefs and the madness and the drama and all the bullshit that I had been raised with, that I had become like my daily life. I wanted better for myself. So I started to read and look outside myself, and I hired a mentor and I started to read books, and I went down the path of personal development. So personal development simply means working on your inner stuff and bettering yourself to be the best version of yourself. You're not trying to be someone else. You're simply becoming the best version of yourself while being really nice to yourself, right? This was so freaking eye-opening for me. I'm like, what? I deserve this, and I can change how I look at things, and things will change, and I can show up differently, and my outcomes will be different, and I can shift my energy and honor my soul more, and my clients will be better. So as I grew, as I started to shift my mindset, as I started to show up better for myself, as I became less of a martyr, a complainer, negative, stuck in that place of lack mentality, which is the mentality that's taught to us by either our family, friends, caregivers, guardians. Guys, you got to forgive them and let it go. We got to drop it and move forward. Because if you stay stuck in that, that's going to be your whole energetic being for the rest of your career. As I started to remove these blocks, as I started to really take care of myself better, and I'll give you a few little tips of what taking care of yourself looks like, everything shifted. The pain in the ass fucking clients that I couldn't stand, excuse my language, they dropped away. The people that would torture me fell out of my life. I started to attract clients that were so aligned, so beautiful, so grateful. They were happy to pay me, and they totally appreciated and valued my work. My whole business changed. Now, these are things I'm going to be holding another class teaching you guys really the core values and how I did this. But it's a marriage of mindset and the things I taught you in the past 5 days, which are the tactic strategies to client attraction. So you really have to marry both in like a balance. You know, it's like doing color. If you don't balance out what you're doing, you're going to wind up with a hot mess, right? Your results are going to be off. Think about that. Like if you don't balance out your haircut, it's going to be off. So it's everything is aligned. Business mindset is just like what we do every day in work. And again, guys, we are personal healers ourselves. We are giving people everything. Like I said, I am behind the chair. 36 years. I get it. I know what it takes. I know what it feels like. I know the pressures, the stress, the hurdles we have to go over. But I can tell you that I have over the years managed to shift my business to a place of sheer joy, abundance, and prosperity by balancing out the strategy and the tactics, which I already taught you day 1 through 5. And if you haven't watched those videos, go back and watch them. If you haven't downloaded the workbook, go back and download it to give yourself the gift of taking a little bit of time. It's not that long, and going through these exercises. And then next week, friggin' implement them, guys. These are things people pay me a lot of money for. I'm giving them to you free. So now let's talk about real simple, how to shift your mindset. So it could be simply by 1, create new rituals for yourself. Okay. It's a process. So you have to be really nice to yourself. So creating new rituals for yourself could be maybe getting up a half hour earlier, sitting down, getting a beautiful little notebook and writing down your intentions for the day. You can write what you want your day to look like, and then you can write down what you're grateful for. 2 columns. What you want your day to look like, what you're grateful for. It can take 1 minute, it could take 3 minutes. This can shift all your energy. During the day, I want you to take a 15-minute break. I don't give a shit. I don't want to hear that you can't, that you're booked solid, that you're back to back. That means that's great, but that means also something that shifted your mindset, that we have to work on raising your prices. You need to have downtime. Now, like I said, I am a busy business. I make great money, right? I'm in a great place. Do you hear chaos right now? No, because I blocked out time for me to make sure I could connect with you guys, my tribe today, right? So it's very intentional. And if you stay in a fear mindset, like, well, if I don't take someone every hour, I'm going to fail or I'm going to lose money. That is what I call living in a fear and lack money mindset. We need to work on that and shift out of that. We do work on this in the 4-week program that I offered you guys, invited you into yesterday. It's a 4-week incubator. We work together in a small group, right? We do work on mindset and breaking these limiting beliefs. We work on getting clarity on who your ideal clients got to be, on how to set up your marketing and really focus on growing your business to the way it feels good for you. I've helped hundreds of people, guys. Sarah's one of them. If you go on my website, mariafontana.com, you can see there's tons of videos and tons of testimonials of service-based business owners like yourselves, hairdressers, hairstylists, estheticians, body sculptors, lash people, all kinds of service-based businesses that I've helped get in alignment, streamline their business, attract better quality clients, and just get joy and abundance and make more money. Because guys, at the bottom line is, if you have a business and you're not making profits, I know this is my Italian, I can't talk without my hands, I'm sorry. Let me try and tie them behind me. You shouldn't be a business then, right? We have such a gift. You can have an aligned, profitable business. So in the 4-week program that I'm inviting you in, I'm going to drop the link below. This is what we do. It's 4 simple weeks. It's going to be the best investment that you ever made in your life. And it's going to help you really grow your business, get to that next step, get clarity, shift your mindsets, and figure out how to profitize, make more money doing what you love, simplify, feel more joy, stop being so goddamn stressed out, right? What are we in business for? So I get on a tangent. So the first thing you're going to do is instill some rituals. Again, remember what you want your day to look like, your intention, and it could be simple. It could be one or two things, whatever that intention is. I'm going to have a peaceful day. I'm not going to get a headache today, whatever. I'm grateful for my eyes, my lips, my teeth, my hair, my voice, my clients, whatever, your kids, your husband. And every day you're going to do that. Now it takes 21 days to change a habit. So I want you to commit to yourself. You're not committing to me. You're committing to yourself that for 21 days, you are going to instill that strategy, one simple thing that you're going to change and start shifting your mindset. Okay. So I teach you a lot more profound and really pivotal things in the 4-week program. So I would love you guys to consider investing in yourself, investing in your business, and coming and joining me. The bonus is going to expire tomorrow at midnight. I left it for another 24 hours. You get an extra bonus 90-minute session with me, which is one-on-one and it's private. And that's where we really dissect, deep dive. I mean, working with me one-on-one is really super powerful. And it's just a great bonus. It's $2,500 value on top of you being in the incubator together with your colleagues, with your friends, with other like-minded, beautiful service-based business people like yourself, right? Hairdressers, service providers. So guys, remember, what you think about, you bring about. You don't have to be positive every day. You just simply have to be nice to yourself. And you are the greatest gift on this planet. So I am really looking forward to seeing you on the inside. If you're not sure if this program is a good fit for you, or you've never heard of doing a program, or you're like, because in our industry, it's like, what the hell she's talking about? DM me, just message me, send me a voicemail, send me whatever you want. I will answer you. I want to connect with you. I want to be here to support you. Our industry needs this more than anything now. I've been through the ringer just like you. I know what it freaking feels like day in and day out. So let's make some changes. Let's grow. Let's get the perfect clients that aren't going to bust our banana. Pay us abundantly and be happy to refer new business to us. Guys, I am sending you massive love and light, big hugs. If you haven't watched the other videos, please go back and watch them. And I want you to comment below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was from the workshop this week, from today's episode, whatever really resonated with you. I am looking forward to connecting with you. I'm going to drop the link. I hope you register. It'll be the best thing you ever did for yourself. Talk to you soon, guys. I love you very much. And thank you so much for being here.